Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find C value. Solution: C to the power of 3 plus C equal to 10. Now C to the power of 3 plus C equal to, this 10 can be written as 8 plus 2. So C to the power of 3 plus C equal to, this 8 can be written as 2 power 3 plus 2. Moving this left hand side, so C power 3 minus 2 power 3 plus C minus 2 equal to 0. Now making the bracket plus C minus 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a power 3 minus b power 3 equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. C minus 2 c square plus 2c plus 2 square plus c minus 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to take c minus 2 common. So here 1 c minus 2, open bracket, we have to return this 2 square plus here 1 equal to 0. Now c minus 2, this can be written as c square plus 2c plus 2 square is 4 plus this 1 equal to 0. Now c minus 2 c square plus 2c plus 5 equal to 0. Now we are able to see two equations here. One is c minus 2 equal to 0, other one is c square plus 2c plus 5 equal to 0. Now from this equation, c equal to 2. Here the c here is c equal to 2. From other equation, c square plus 2c plus 5 equal to 0. Here we are going to apply quadratic equation, that is here a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 5. Here the quadratic equation formula here is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula we are going to apply here. So c equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 times 1 times c here is 5 by 2 times 1. Here minus 2 plus or minus 2 square is 4 minus 4 times this is 5 in square root by 2. Now minus 2 plus or minus, here we are going to take 4 common. So 4 open bracket 1 minus 5 in square root by 2. Now minus 2 plus or minus 4 in square root, here it is 1 minus 5 is minus 4 by 2. Now this can be written as minus 2 plus or minus 4 square is 2. This can be written as square root of 4 times square root of minus 1 by 2. Now we are going to take 2 common from this. So 2 open bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of 4. This can be written as I by 2. Now this 2 cancels each other. So we have minus 1 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2i. Now we have c equal to 2. From this c1 equal to minus 1 plus 2i. From c2 equal to minus 1 minus 2i. These are the possible answer for given solution. Thanks for watching this video.